You can't buy happiness, but you can buy cookies. Even better yet, you can make them. In your own kitchen, you can make them a little bit healthier than the ones you might buy from the store. I made recipes healthier for health benefits. I was hoping to make banana bread that was gluten-free and had half the sugar. When I was little, I couldn't have dairy or gluten because of my allergies. My 3 driving questions are, why is gluten-free food so expensive? What is it like to be on a gluten-free diet? And how can we substitute sugar for something that tastes good but is healthier? The first recipe I made, I felt wasn't too hard. But when I tasted the banana bread, I realized how much effort you have to put into exhibition and how much math is required when coming to the measurements. My first loaf was okay, but I realized it would take work to make it tasty. I made 6 different loaves of banana bread before I got one that was delicious. I improved the taste and texture by using maple syrup instead of sugar and adding less gluten-free flour. I had to learn to add my ingredients in the right order. It was also tricky to figure out the right amounts of each ingredient to put in my recipe. Gluten-free flour has a grit to it, and I found putting less flour than required helped. I've learned to bake independently and read off recipe cards. I've also learned to save time by comparing my recipes because they are so similar. I have learned to learn from my mistakes. Julia Child once said, "No one is born a great cook. One learns by doing." Time for me to go. I don't want to miss the taste test.